Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to Kara dash cancel with Happy Chaos. So what Kara dash canceling is that you dash and then you immediately cancel the dash into a move afterwards. This works with other characters like Sin, except Nago and Potemkin because they don't have a dash. For Happy Chaos, Kara dash canceling into 236S is a great tool to apply pressure with. 236S is already a good pressure tool, but we can make it even better by using this example that I'm going to show you. Here's a comparison if I don't use the tech. You can see that I can't connect my T36S when he thoughtless defenses. So what you do is you close slash dash, then immediately do 236S afterwards. It helps a lot if you have a dash macro. So I have mine assigned to on my shoulder button, L1, on the controller. Close slash dash, and then 236S afterwards. Now combine all of them by close slashing, then immediately hitting dash into 236S as fast as possible. The timing is very tight. So, like that, and then that. Just keep practicing and you'll get it.